Hey guys, and I'm just out to do a walk around video of the beautiful Villa Sapora. That's Arboleas. Now this beautiful, I mean it's a character villa with all the mod cons. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 10 by 5 pool, which is bespoke. I'll explain a little bit more on that in a minute. And this is the absolutely adorable and very spacious covered porch that runs off of the living room. So the front door's at the other side of the house. You walk all the way through and come out here. Now this one ticks an awful lot of boxes. It's, you know, full of character, full of warmth, but with all the mod cons. Walk to the town, yes. Wonderful views, yes. Privacy, yes. You know, the gardens are designed to be very, very private and just afford the most wonderful views over the town. Now I was filming that last section from a kind of purpose-built mirador, if you like, a dining platform. I've just wandered over to the other side now. Now you can see this pool, beautiful. It's a 10 by 5 bench seat at this end that runs all the way around, and these absolutely wonderful, easy to manage steps that come in from that side. And then I'm just going to pan round here for you so you can take in, you know, when Arboleas at night time, it's absolutely twinkling. Sun rises immediately to my left and forms a perfect arc. Beautiful and warm today, but a little bit murky, apologies. And that's the kind of lovely mirador platform that I've come down from. Now the garden's all been wonderfully sectioned. So we'll take a little wander around the outside. Immediately up to my right there's the kind of utility corridor where you've got all the air conditioning units and that sort of stuff. And I can't go and do the other side yet without showing you this absolutely stunning triple arch fronted porch. Vaulted ceilings, loving these wood beams there. There's a door access, double doors right into the lounge area there. Fantastic seating and dining area covered. Got a couple of pull down awnings here. These are for the summer actually, just to stop the sun cooking you if you're out having some breakfast or enjoying a meal in the afternoon. What a glorious seating area and relaxation area that is. It's all been freshly painted, and really the outside space has been adapted to make it kind of easy to maintain and really just about the views. I mean, there's established yuccas, some lovely colour in the front garden we'll see in a second. See this wonderful little artificial grass area here. Step access up into the porch. Another little kind of seating area here. That's a little outdoor shower discreetly tucked behind there. Then you can see a sectioned off privacy wall in front, and this leads into a purpose-built kind of barbecue, I suppose, area. Very much on a kind of Spanish hacienda style. The barbecue's housed here, and these are units. You know, you've got a sink and stuff out here. This is the back of the garage, which has got electric connected into there. As you can see, this has all been tiled and sectioned off. I mean, if you want to add a summer kitchen or anything, this would be a perfect area to do it. And then further arched access. It's a boiler cupboard there to my right. Takes you up out here, side door access into the garage. And then a lockable gate with another privacy wall into the front garden. You know, lots of colour, but this is all provided by very easy to maintain pots. Got a wonderful kind of trellis, I suppose, pergola here at the frontage, and that leads to a wonderful covered porch seating area that at the moment's in absolutely perfect shade, and the front door runs straight off of here. And then I love this kind of little patio garden. Very traditional. So I'm standing now with the front door immediately behind me. Little pan around, as you can see, this is a very nice sized covered porch that provides lots of shade. And then the trellis I've just walked through from the other side. Established trees and shrubs in here. And the covered carport. It's electric gate access. As you can see there, double gate, carport, and then this leads down into the garage. So let's go and take a look onto the interior. So in we go and the excitement builds. Absolutely love this. I mean, it's ideal, holiday home, full-time living, but wonderful tiling scheme throughout. And very unusual but beautiful design. So literally front door, and look all the way in front there, and they're the double doors at the other end that lead out to the covered porch. Now you've got 4 bedrooms, as I say, in here, and the nice thing again about the design is they're all divided into different parts of the house. So we'll take a look at each one individually. Ceiling fans and air conditioning throughout. It's got a lovely open plan feel, which means it flows beautifully. So that arched access there is going into a fantastic kitchen. The double arch there into the lounge. You can see this is a purpose-built dining area and a very good size. Kitchen you can see through there, then a wonderful corner-mounted wood burner here. And this little lobby area takes you into the master bedroom. Very good sized room with a lovely walk-in wardrobe. And a fabulous, newly refurbished ensuite bathroom. It's a wonderfully cool, quiet and shady room in here. As I say, very good size. And not a fitted wardrobe, but a very good sized walk-in wardrobe here at the end. So the master bedroom, bedroom number 1. And coming out of here on the very opposite side of the dining area, you've got 2 further bedrooms and the second shared family bathroom. Quick squint at the hallway there. Now typical, I mean this is, as I say, a 4, but one of the bedrooms is being used as a very kind of, you know, ironing room, laundry room, workroom, an office bureau. Very good sized room, no fitted wardrobes in that one. And then the full family bathroom in the centre. And then bedroom number 3, absolutely gorgeous room this one. I could say it's the main guest bedroom, but the other one's just as large. In ceiling fans, air conditioning, fly screens fitted throughout. A big blank bank of floor to ceiling rolling fronted wardrobes in here. Out again into the dining area and on into the kitchen. It just has a wonderful, you know, it's very homely, very comfortable, but a beautifully open plan feel, if that makes sense. Now, newly refitted kitchen, very contemporary. Drinking water system in here. Very good sized range cooker. I mean, if you want that closed off, it's very easy to add a door, but I can't see why you would, because it works very well like this. And then on into there. Sorry, there's a couple of chairs that have been brought in for storage purposes, just to the left there, but gosh, my bones are cracking here. So a little pan around from the wonderful lounge this end. Twin ceiling fans and aircon you can see there. Then immediately in front of me, right at the other end from the front door, is the 4th bedroom. Now, a triple bank of fitted wardrobes run all along the side of this. And then another very good sized double. And those windows open out, look over via the covered porch out onto the pool and the spectacular views. So I think this is my favourite of the guest bedrooms. And kind of the beauty is it's right at the far end of the house from the master bedroom, so you know you've got guests and family over, you've got total privacy. Pop out here, you've got easy access to the living room, the kitchen, and straight out onto that wonderful covered porch. I'll leave you with one last view from out there, but hope you've enjoyed that. Villa Sapora, full details will appear in the link below. To arrange a viewing, just contact us as usual, khalidahomes@hotmail.com. +34950 430 763. We'd be delighted to hear. We can happily arrange a viewing or further details. Let's just take one last glimpse at that gorgeous covered porch and the stunning views. Thanks for watching.